Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how you can create viral emotion graphics design without expensive software or any skills needed. We use in this video AI tool called Hera AI. Hera AI, this is mean the page, and Hera AI will create for you any emotion graphics you want for editing your video. Click on login, will create your free account by contact your Gmail. It's very simple and have a free trial. Here we type any prompt you want or your video topic or anything for create emotion graphics about your video. But in this video, we'll choose the trend templates for create emotion graphics. Here I already have a trend template people are already using and go viral on social media. Just click on templates like this, and here all the templates go viral and people are already using, and we'll take this template and customize it for our video and download it. Here this I will show you how you can do that. Click on use the template, and with Hera AI will change anything on this emotion graphics, the color, the background, and customize the size. Just type your prompt here, anything you want to change, the color, the background, and anything you, and will type any first like this, and will click on enhance the prompt in this button here. We'll click on enhance the prompt. Our Hera AI will give you a full prompt. Click on generate. It takes some time actually. And here your emotion graphics are ready for use it. And you can customize it for shorts video too. For create shorts video for Instagram, TikTok, or anything you want. Here the color changed. And if you want to click on customize size here, and you will choose the shorts video. Here your shorts video is ready to use, and you can choose the color and the background here. Click on maps. In here we just click or any template you want to use it, and it will take some time. And here we go, the templates added here. You can use it for anything you want for creates your video. You don't need to use expensive software or learning how you can create emotion graphics anymore. With AI will create anything. You go to templates on Hera AI, choose the viral templates and customize it for your video. And if you want to try Hera AI, you'll find the link in the description, and hit the like and subscribe for channel for see more AI tool review, and see the next one. Thank you for watching.